aine ndipita banda ufulu kwa eneo ndi chimene Malawi Nation Team nduluwa kamenya kusafa ndi zaka 19 and kumene kuko nakapanga chinthu choti ine wanga sinema iwala napanga assist game ya Mozambique ndi Malawi kwa eneo ufulu chifukwa chinthu anavumiza.
Dzina langa ndi Beatrice Mpinganjira. Ufulu kwa ineyo ndikusewera netball yomwe ndimayikondesesa kwambiri yomwe inandipangisa kuti ndikayimirire dziko langa m'mayiko akunja ochuluka.
Ni mageribida mangani uri ndi ndufu magusa mu masuka business yanga.
Dzina langa ndi Neva Mapinjeni. Ufulu kwa ine pa business yomwe ndimachita ndomwe imatha kuthandiza anthu a dera langa kupeza chinthu chomwe akufuna.
Dzina langa ndi Shireen. Ndimayimba nyimbo za gospel. Ndine wachimwemwe chifukwa ndili ndi ufulu wogwiritsa ntchito luso langa pomasulira maganizo anga.
From childhood, we are taught about the importance of money, how to buy your favorite snacks, and also how to make sure it lasts until your paycheck, or what we call pocket money. Now, all of that becomes a little more elaborate as you grow older, making sure your budget is something that actually sustains your needs and also gets you the assets that you need while playing as hard as you work. In order for all of that to flow smoothly, you need a financial institution that can do all of that in one go. That institution is the NICO Group. Welcome, my name is Sharon Chirwa and I'm here with my co-host
Rebecca Kazaeka.
And this is The One.
Monga Sharon wafotokozera kuti ndrama ndi chinthu chofunikira kwambiri. Tili panodi ife aniko kufuna kukufotokozerani kuti ndrama mungayisamale bwanji, komanso ndrama ingakupinduleni bwanji ngati mukumapeza uphungu weniweni kuchokera kwa akadaulo oyendetsa nkhani za chuma.
Now, NICO, being an all-rounder financial institution, will be offering you various services, various solutions to your problems, and all of that is going to be aired right here on Times TV. Not forgetting, you can also follow us on our Facebook platforms on Times, that's Times 360 Malawi, and for NICO, that's NICO Group Malawi. The program is going to be airing on Mondays on TV at 6:30 p.m. and on Wednesdays at 7:30 p.m. on Times Radio. Get to the pages, like them, and follow us so that you don't miss out on anything. How do you spell easy? Easy? Easy. Easy is when you dial *322# to do all your banking. Easy is when you can withdraw or deposit cash on an ATM. Easy is when you don't need a card to withdraw cash on an ATM. Easy is when you can bank seamlessly at the convenience of your phone, tablet, or laptop at home, office, or even in your car. Ta, ta, ta. Now that's how you spell easy. Bank Easy, the new Easy Bank Reloaded 2.0. NBS Bank, your caring bank. There's a saying that people's greatness is in their stories. On 24th of June 2021, NICO added another milestone to its heroic story. For the first time on the real estate scene, the city of Blantyre witnessed the opening of the doors of two astonishing buildings owned by the biggest financial group by assets and product diversity, NICO Group. The official opening ceremony was graced by the mayor of Blantyre City, His Worship Wild Ndipo, who in remarks commended the remarkable work NICO Group is doing in contributing towards the changing of the urban landscape, and further called all property owners in the city to emulate what NICO has done to keep the cities attractive. 2021 is a special year in the NICO Group journey as we are celebrating our 50th anniversary. The journey has not been without its challenges, and at times the future indeed looked bleak for some of our businesses. But the fact that we remain a force to be reckoned with on the market after 50 years is testament to the strong foundation upon which the brand is built. We are proud to be an integral part of Malawi's story, and we are looking ahead with plans to grow our businesses as well as to charter into new territories. We have had 50 years of honoring our commitments to our clients, 50 years of pioneering various watershed projects in the country. Our customers remain our biggest stakeholder. The group has grown to where it is now because they are customers who continue believing in us. Through the times that some of our companies were faced with challenges, our customers remained loyal to us. We promise to be of even greater service to you. We extend our gratitude to all our stakeholders, shareholders, staff, investors, media partners, and all that have played part in building our story. One NICO.
To our valued pension fund members, NICO Pension would like to advise how you can go about accessing your pension benefits when needed before retirement. For employees who have changed jobs, you may write your former employer advising them that you have changed jobs. In order to transfer your pension benefits to your new employer's pension scheme, here are the documents needed: a letter stating current employer and their pension administrator, a national ID, and a duly signed and stamped withdrawal form. Once this information is presented to NICO Pension, we will proceed to transfer your benefits from old employer's pension scheme to new employer's pension scheme. For employees that have left employment and are unemployed for more than 6 months, we will require the following documentation before we proceed to calculate pension benefits: a letter from member advising the reason for claim and adherence to waiting period, a claim withdrawal form from the former employer signed and stamped, copy of national ID, copy of bank deposit slip or bank statement. If the total member contributions plus the bonus are above 500,000 kwacha, the claim will be sent to Reserve Bank of Malawi for approval before payout. The remaining employer contributions plus the bonus will remain in the member's account up until the member reaches the retirement age of 50, or transferred to another employer when the member gets employment before age 50. If both the members and the employer's contributions plus the bonus are less than 500,000 kwacha, the member may access the whole amount. This is in line with Section 65 of Pension Act 2010. NICO, it's possible.
Now, the NICO Group is one finance institution in Malawi that has been providing solutions to all Malawians of all ages and from any part of the region, financial solutions since 1971. Now, that is when it was established. Since then, it has made sure that your lifetime experiences are the best, memorable, and those that leave legacies for those that come after you. Now, in order to show you just how much NICO can do for you, we have launched a new campaign deemed The One. To unpack this program is the Group Head of Marketing, Lorraine Phiri. Welcome.
Thank you, Sharon.
Now, Lorraine, firstly, The One. What exactly is it?
Sharon, the One NICO campaign is a celebration of NICO's 50 years of existence in Malawi. As you said earlier, NICO opened its doors to the public in 1971, and at that time it was only offering general and life insurance company, what we'd call a composite composite insurance company, and it's grown over the years to the big financial services group that it is, with a range of financial services companies within the group. When we talk about the One, we're talking about NICO being the one financial services provider in Malawi that you can walk into and get all your financial services under one roof.
We're also talking about the one financial services company that has been a pioneer in Malawi and has achieved many firsts. So the one also talks to the number one, being number one in the industry in a lot of regards. And this will be unpacked as the program progresses. We're also talking about it being the one, as in, you know, when you talk about in a relationship, when you're talking about the one.
Dolo.
This is
that number one.
This is the one person that I'll never leave.
Yes.
You know, this is what I've been looking for my entire life. And this is the link that we're making between the campaign and our customers. NICO is the company that should be in the lives of Malawians of all walks of life, as a financial solutions provider that provides solutions under one roof.
Now 50 years, something that we're going to keep mentioning throughout this program. Actually, it's quite a big milestone. People would ask, how does a Malawian company actually make it that long? To get to this year, 2021, we're looking at it and we're saying we're celebrating 50 years of existence. What are some of the key things that you can say, well, there were hurdles, but we were able to say we achieved that. We were able to still be that one financial institution that can achieve anything?
Sharon, as you're saying, 50 years is a big achievement in business. The world over, there are companies that start off seemingly strong.
Yes.
And some of them make it to 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and fail because of different challenges that they face. So as NICO, we are really proud that for 50 years, we've been growing from strength to strength to become a leading brand in Malawi. How we've achieved that and why we've achieved that speaks to the strength and stability of the brand, the diversity of the brand, not only in the companies and the products that we provide, but also the diversity of the leadership at NICO, which you'll be meeting throughout the program, but also the talents of the people that we have at NICO. So that's, in summary, I would say it's the strength of the brand and the stability of the brand.
For so many years, we saw these subsidiaries that you mentioned, NICO Pension, NICO Life, NBS Bank. They have been operating as their own entities. Now, this calling them the one, how should people expect and what should people expect from them working together as one?
From working together as one, you get a one-stop financial solutions company. You walk into any NICO company, you should be able to access our services or information of our other companies at any of the NICO companies. You also get what we are calling integrated solutions for our companies, which for our customers, sorry, which means that a customer doesn't have to go from one company to the other for all their financial needs. They walk into NICO, they get all their financial needs and solutions from NICO. That way they get more value, they save time as well as money from accessing all their solutions from NICO.
One other question that I've had somebody ask me after actually being in the group is, but it sounds like it's just for rich people, with the name NICO in front of it. Are NICO products only directed and suited for people who are wealthy?
Sharon, NICO is a company for everyone. When we talk about one NICO, in Chichewa what we can say is Zonse Momo. You come to NICO, you find all your products there, but you also find products for people from all walks of life. We have products, I'll give an example, Tilidanu product, which is at NICO Life. It's a funeral policy that starts with as little as 800 kwacha. 800 kwacha is something that a lot of Malawians can afford. And across the group, we have solutions and we continue to develop solutions for all Malawians from all walks of life. So no, it's just a myth. I'd call it a myth that NICO is only for people with a lot of money or only for rich people. What we focus on is understanding at which stage is our customer at in their life and what kind of products or solutions do we need to provide to help them get to the next stage that they want to reach in life. Yes. So NICO is a solutions provider for everybody, not just for those who've got money.
Yes. Now, for people that are watching this program or listening on the radio, what Lorraine is saying is, regardless of where you're coming from, you have that financial solution provider in the NICO group. You come there and you'll be able to get all the advisory services. Back to the program, the one that we are actually on right now, Lorraine, who are we targeting? Who actually should watch this program or listen to this program and take something out?
Like I said, NICO is for everybody. And our target market for this program are Malawians who are decision makers when it comes to finances. This is, when I talk about decision makers, I don't mean just in large corporates. Decision makers in the home, decision makers in small to medium enterprises, up to decision makers in your huge corporates and public entities. There's a solution for everybody at NICO. In this program, you'll be able to pick out solutions that will help you in your role, whether it's in the home, in the company. And this is also for people from an early stage in life. We've seen that there's a trend that more and more young people are venturing out into entrepreneurship, starting out in their businesses. And what we want to do is to equip them with the financial skills, the financial knowledge that they need as well as they start out in their lives.
What should they expect, apart from all these experts that are coming onto the program? What should they expect when they switch on their TVs or tune in on Facebook? What exactly is in it for them?
What I can say to our customers is that they can expect a lot of knowledge. We'll be sharing a lot of our solutions, but in general talking about trends in financial services and how to leverage on these trends to get to the next stage in your life. We're also going to have a lot of fun on the program. I won't go into too much detail in that. That will be unpacked in subsequent episodes, but there's a lot of fun that our viewers will expect. We tend to think of financial services as something that is boring, but it's very exciting. And through this program, The One, our viewers will see just how exciting financial services can be through the NICO group.
Now, that was the group head of marketing of the NICO group. Looking at what she has said, the One thematic campaign is looking at all companies within the NICO group and all the financial services that they provide for you. Everything is there for you, regardless of where you're coming from, where you're going to. We can guide you in the right direction. All you have to do is stay tuned to this program on Times TV on Mondays at 6:30 p.m. and on Wednesdays on the radio at 7:30. Stay right there. We still have plenty more to come.
To our valued pension fund members, NICO Pension would like to advise how you can go about accessing your pension benefits when needed before retirement. For members that are permanently leaving the country, the required documentation is a letter from member advising us reason for claim, withdrawal form from employer, signed and stamped, proof of permanent resident permit or citizenship of destination country, copy of national ID, copy of bank deposit slip or bank statement. Once these documents are received, we calculate benefits due to member and 40% of the total will be paid out as a once-off payment and the remaining 60% will be paid 12 months after initial payment. This is in line with Section 69 of the Pension Act 2010. In the unfortunate event that a member has passed away, the following documentation will be required: a duly completed claim notification of death form signed and stamped by the employer, a death certificate or report from the National Registration Bureau, or certified by a medical practitioner registered with the Medical Council of Malawi, or a letter signed and stamped by a district commissioner or traditional authority from the deceased home district. The latest deceased beneficiary nomination form as per Section 71 of the Pension Act 2010. NICO, it's possible.
That was Lorraine Phiri, the group head of marketing at the NICO group. She's the first of many exciting guests that we'll have right here on The One, isn't it, Rebecca?
Kwambiri kwake tazimvera tokhala Malawi kuchokera kwa group head of marketing kuti tambasulira kuti kodi ku NICO chaka chino kuli chani, chaka chino kuli chaka ku NICO pa zaka 50 zimenezi NICO yapanga chani ndete ndikhalepo mpomene tinafotokozera muja masabata akubwerawa kuti mumve kuti ku NICO kuli chani.
What I like so much is that Rebecca, she said, expect exciting things.
Zilipo zosangalatsa zomwe zikubwera ma program otsatirawa.
Yes. All you have to do is stay tuned to the program every week. On Monday, we're on Times TV at 6:30 p.m. and when on the radio, Times Radio that is, at 7:30 p.m. on Wednesdays. Also follow us on our Facebook page, NICO Group Malawi, and also follow it on the Times Facebook page, Times 360 Malawi. In terms of keeping up with all our products, you can get in touch with us on social media, Facebook, NICO Group Malawi, on Twitter, at NICO Group Malawi, on Instagram, at NICO Group Malawi, and LinkedIn, NICO Group Malawi.
Mutha kumatipeza so ku call center kuyimba 323 maulere mutipeza pamenepo tikuthandizani tikuyankhani pa zonse zomwe mufuna kudziwa zokhuzana ndi NICO Group.
Now on next week's program we'll have the Group Managing Director Vizenge Kumwenda, who is going to be here talking about the synergy that comes along with all these subsidiaries that we call the NICO Group.
Zakhaliso pompo sabata amawa kuti tizamve kuti kodi ku NICO kukuchitika chani mu program imeneyi.
You've been with me, Sharon Chirwa, and my co-host
Rebecca Kadzaeka.
See you next week.